Do you know how different tools work? In this video, we're going to uncover the fascinating mechanisms behind some of the most common tools found in any toolbox. We're talking about the hammer, the saw, and the drill. Each of these tools has a unique role to play, and understanding how they work can take your DIY projects from good to great. Think about it. The hammer. A simple yet effective tool that has been with mankind for centuries. The saw, with its sharp teeth that make quick work of any piece of wood. And the drill, a powerful tool that can bore holes in a variety of materials with absolute precision. Each of these tools has a story to tell, a purpose to fulfill. Are you ready to go on this journey with us? Ready to dive into the fascinating world of tools? Let's start with the humble hammer. A hammer, a tool so simple yet so essential. When you think about it, the hammer is a marvel of simplicity. A basic tool consisting of two main parts, the handle and the head. The handle is typically long, allowing for a good grip and efficient transfer of force from your hand to the head. It's often made of materials like wood or fiberglass, which provide durability and comfort. The head, on the other hand, is the business end of the hammer. It's usually made of a hard, heavy metal such as steel. The primary purpose of the head is to concentrate the force applied by the user into a small, hard surface area. This allows the hammer to drive nails into surfaces or break objects apart. But there's more to the head than just a flat surface for bashing. Many hammers also feature a claw on the opposite side, a sort of two-pronged fork. This claw isn't just there for show, it's a practical addition that makes the hammer even more versatile. If you've ever tried to pull out a nail using just your hands, you'll appreciate how much easier it is with a claw hammer. So the beauty of the hammer lies in its simplicity and versatility. It's a tool that's been around in some form for thousands of years, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast building a birdhouse in your backyard, or a professional carpenter framing a house, the hammer is an essential part of your toolkit. The hammer is a tool that reminds us that sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our capacity to shape the world around us. It's not just a tool, it's an extension of our hands, a manifestation of our will. Now that we understand the hammer, it's time to move on to our next tool, the saw. Next on our list, the saw, a tool that cuts through all sorts of materials. A saw is a staple in any toolbox, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out on your DIY journey. Let's start by breaking down the parts. The most significant part of a saw is the blade. This is the part that does the heavy lifting. Blades can vary in length, thickness, and the number of teeth per inch. The more teeth per inch, the finer the cut. But remember, a blade with fewer teeth per inch will cut faster, although the finish may be rougher. On the edge of the blade, you'll find the teeth. These are the tiny sharp points that do the actual cutting. They bite into the material, removing small pieces with each stroke. The pattern and shape of the teeth can greatly affect the saw's performance. For example, rip-cut saws designed for cutting along the grain of wood have fewer, larger teeth, while cross-cut saws designed for cutting across the grain have more smaller teeth. Moving on to the other end of the saw, we find the handle. This is where you'll grip the saw as you work. Handles can be made of a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, or even rubber for a more comfortable grip. Some handles are straight, while others are curved to fit the shape of your hand. The design of the handle can greatly influence the control you have over the saw, and ultimately the accuracy of your cuts. Now let's talk about what a saw can do. It's primarily used for cutting through materials like wood, metal, or plastic. From crafting furniture to creating intricate designs, a saw is a versatile tool that can handle a wide range of tasks. Just remember, like all tools, a saw should be used with care. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves and eye protection, to prevent injuries. With the saw covered, we're ready to drill down into our final tool. Finally, the drill, a tool that bores holes into surfaces. The drill, a staple in any toolbox, is a versatile instrument that comes in handy for a wide array of projects. Its main parts include the drill bit, which does the actual drilling, and the motor, which powers the drill bit. The drill bit, attached at the front, comes in various shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific task. For instance, twist drill bits are perfect for boring holes into wood and metal, while masonry bits are designed for concrete and brick. The motor, housed within the drill's body, is the powerhouse. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, making the drill bit spin. The faster the motor runs, the faster the drill bit spins, which is why most drills have an adjustable speed feature. But the drill isn't just about making holes, it can also be used to drive screws. With the right bit, a drill can quickly and efficiently insert screws into various materials, making it a popular tool in construction and home improvement projects. One of the key features of a drill is its adjustable direction feature. A flick of a switch can change the drill's direction from forward to reverse, making it easy to insert and remove screws. And that's the drill. Now you know how these three basic tools work. And there we have it. We've delved into the world of hammers, saws, and drills, each with its unique uses and quirks. These are more than just tools. They're companions for all your DIY adventures. Understanding their operation and purpose can elevate any project from good to great. It's all about knowing when to hammer at home, make the cut, or drill down to details. Remember, a good workman never blames his tools, but a great workman knows his tools. Until next time.
We'll be right back.